Hi, my name is Glenda, and I'm coming to you from Harmony Road Studios. We're going to be talking about how to purchase a piano for a young student or a beginning student. And this is a question we get asked frequently, and so I want to try to answer that. Often parents want to know, is a keyboard like this okay for 5-year-old Johnny to begin learning to play the piano on? And my answer is, I don't think so. In fact, the reason is not necessarily because there aren't that many keys, but because the size of the keys is too narrow. So that if the child is practicing on this particular kind of keyboard and then they come to the studio and are playing on a full-size keyboard, the keys themselves are wider and these are too narrow. So this is not a good choice. The best choice, if you're not going to purchase an acoustic piano, that would be my #1 recommendation. But if you're not going to purchase an acoustic piano, a digital piano with weighted keys is the best choice, because this piano feels the most like an acoustic piano, or some people say a real piano, and it sounds the most authentic, even if it doesn't have a lot of bells and whistles. This Kawai digital piano only has about 12 sounds, not 500 like many keyboards, but it's a great choice for a beginning student. It has the pedal that works well, that is in a position similar to an acoustic piano, and this is a great choice. The fact that the keys are weighted is the main reason to purchase a piano like this. When you push the key down, there's resistance. On any other kinds of keyboards that don't have 88 keys, often they will be so easy to depress, the keys, that there's no strengthening of the hands going on. And it doesn't encourage the child to play with confidence and with boldness, because they barely have to press the key in order to make the sound. There are 66 key keyboards and 77 key keyboards. Those work fine for a beginning student, as long as the keys are the right width and the parent's budget does not allow something like this. Any kind of keyboard a student can really learn on to begin with, but the better quality the instrument, most likely the more motivated the student is going to be to continue. And then you won't have to make a double purchase. But some parents, when they begin, if they want to buy a 66 keyboard, a Yamaha electronic keyboard, I say that's fine. And then in a year, when your child is successful and you know that they're going to be motivated to continue, then upgrade your keyboard. Thanks for joining us. I'm Glenda at HarmonyRoadStudios.com.